Hey guys, Andy here. So this was going to be my iPhone 12 mini unboxing. I always seem to have some problems with delivery, so it was due yesterday. It's quite a short one, to be fair. They just text saying, sorry, it's not going to be there on time. It's now Saturday morning instead, just gone 11 o'clock. I got a text saying it was due between half 11 and 12, something like that. So I know it's just arrived, and I've just opened the box. So here we go, and it says, well, I can't show you, but it's come from Synchro whoever. Okay, yeah, open the box. So somebody, very short version of things, somebody has taken the phone and put some Sainsbury's cheese in there instead, because I guess it weighs about the same. I can't even use it because it's been out the cold chain. This is just, I don't know, I wish I'd take, there's nothing I can do to prove it. I'm sat here with my cutter and I've just taken them out. And it says soft, warm, like a cheese. So, I don't know, I guess I get back in touch with Apple and say, my iPhone 12 mini, it doesn't work so good. How bizarre. So I guess, I don't know, let me know in the comments. It's funny because I was just listening to, I think it was All About Android podcast, where some guy was saying that he'd had his Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 shipped, and when he opened the box, he had 2 tins of sardines or tuna fish in there or something. And they were all kind of like, wow, brilliant, well, how did that happen, whatever. And I guess the same things happen to me. It's bizarre. I don't know how Apple will deal with this. I don't know if they'll believe me. This is a £750 block of cheese. I'm honestly like, it's funny. What I was going to laugh, because I assume I'm not going to be left £750 out by Apple for sending me a block of cheese. I assume I'm probably not the only person this has happened to. If we look at the box, there's tape. So there's just clear tape. That's all there is. Just clear tape down one edge that I cut. I don't know if they want pack. I'll send them the packing details from the front. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you've heard this before, if it's happened to you, if you've got any advice for me. I don't know what else to do. So I'm going to throw my cheese out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.